Here we have a 2014 Ford Fiesta, one owner, nice little car, aluminum wheels, does have a small dent in the front fender, power sunroof, SE model, 63,000 miles, one owner, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, black cloth interior, leather wrapped steering wheel, stereo controls, cruise control. You have the sync hands-free Bluetooth system, automatic transmission, CD player with heat and air conditioning. Side impact airbags, nice big back seat. Nice big trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open to 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.